This is Anna Fitzpatrick, banner ID number 01809671, and I have not collaborated with any other live person in the making of this video assignment. Today I'm going to be showing how you conduct a hypothesis test based on the claim by the Connecticut Board of Regents that 39% of all Housatonic Community College students are from the city of Bridgeport. Now I am going to talk about assumptions. We are going to assume that the condition of independence is met because one student's origin city is not dependent on another student's origin city, although I'm going to say roughly met because the school being in Bridgeport would influence where the higher percentage of kids are from. And if the independence assumption is met, we can also assume that this is a random sample. Also, the 10% condition is met because the total community college students in Connecticut is higher than the sample being tested. Also, the success and failure assumption is met because there are at least 10 successes and at least 10 failures. Successes meaning students who are from Bridgeport. Because all the assumptions and conditions are met, we can assume that this is a normal model, and we will be doing a one sample proportion summary hypothesis. So again, the claim is that the percentage of students from Bridgeport is 39%. So our null hypothesis is P equals 0.39, and our alternative hypothesis is P does not equal 0.39. So because this is categorical data, we are going to first use a frequency table to determine how many students are from Bridgeport. So we are selecting city, and for our statistic we want to find the frequency, the relative frequency, and the percent of the total. And as you can see here, it's showing that out of 3,002 students, 1,467 of them are from Bridgeport, which is 48.86% of the total, and that is based on a total number of students of 3,002. Then we can go in and do a proportion stats summary to test our hypothesis. So our number of successes is 1,467 students being from Bridgeport, with our number of observations being 3,002, total number of students from Bridgeport. And our null hypothesis here is 0.39, and our alternative hypothesis is not equal to 0.39. So when we compute, we see here that we have a z-stat of 11.08439, and right next to it we see the p-value of less than 0.0001, and these are statistics for this data. Conclusion: because the p-value is so low, I am determining that I'm going to reject the null hypothesis that the percentage of students from Bridgeport that attend Housatonic is 39%. I believe there's sufficient evidence that the number is greater than 39% based on the p-value being so low. Thank you and have a good day.